Hey everybody, it's Bob over at Danbury Senior Living, here to invite you to the February Cuyahoga Falls Chamber of Commerce Zoom Lunch and Learn. You try and say that 3 times real fast. In February, Danbury Senior Living is thrilled to be the sponsor because we're going to learn about the black tie experience. At Danbury, we just happen to call it the Danbury difference. What is it? It's all of those little things that we do as a business to make our customers love what we do. It's the little things we do to help our residents and their families live their best lives. So we are thrilled that my good friend, that guy, Bob Pacanovsky, is going to be speaking. Hey, Bob, what are you going to be talking about at the luncheon?
Hey, thanks, Bob. And I am looking forward to being with all of you in February. And right now I'm coming to you from my stage, which is my kitchen, where I'm going to not only be talking about how to create this black tie experience for your customers, but I'm going to be doing it with a live cooking demo. See, my title for my topic is the recipe to create more brand ambassadors for your organization. And what better way to do that than to cook for you? And if you have the opportunity, why not cook along with me for that event? See, I'm going to be giving you my 4 key ingredients on how to create this recipe that's going to wow your customers so that they can't wait to tell the stories about how you make them feel. So I hope you join. Come hungry because you're going to have a great meal and we're going to have a fantastic time talking about customer service. Bob?
I think it's going to be the best Zoom we see all year, don't you think?
Amen.
All right. So make sure you call over to the chamber and get registered as the sponsor. We'd love to see you. And I know Bob would love to see you too. All right. Call over to the chamber and get registered. We'll see you in February.